好，Okay. So Richard, today only you and me. Okay. 因为
Okay,
yeah, you happy or not?
not really.
Okay. Not really. Yeah, I know because 有的时候 got some other students, so at least you're by turn, right? When I ask question. So today, right, Richard, maybe only because other student they went for holidays, so they couldn't attend lesson today.
Okay,
那么 Richard, I try to 让你明白 I want you to understand 我在说什么。所以今天我会放慢速度 I will speak slower, so to make sure you understand what I'm teaching about. 可以吗？
okay,
好不好？
yeah.
So Richard, I need to understand. In school, 你在学校，你的华文是normal Chinese 普华，
What do you say again?
你在学校的华文是普通华文吗？ Is it normal Chinese or foundation Chinese? I mean your textbook is normal Chinese 普通华文
I don't know. I think it's probably like uh normal.
normal Chinese. Normal Chinese. Okay, because Chinese, right? Because in primary school we have foundation, normal, and higher Chinese, right?
Okay.
So I notice you try to speak, you try to understand what I'm talking. 可是有时候可能你不明白老师在说什么，对吗？So I want to help you. 我想要帮助你。所以你可以 Can you send your exam paper to me？你把你的考试、你的考卷发给我，你叫爸爸妈妈 send via WhatsApp。
Oh,
Okay?
send by WhatsApp.
Yes, your exam paper.
Okay.
Chinese,
Hold.
Chinese, Chinese
Okay.
exam paper after lesson。
Okay. Oh, okay.
下课 not now，下课了
Okay.
之后，好吗？So I wish to help you to improve a little 一点，每一天进步一点点。每个星期进步一点点。So Richard，你是华人？Are you Chinese？
Yes.
Pure Chinese？
Well, yeah.
那你有跟谁有说华文？When you use Mandarin？ When？ 在学校
Uh, I
，OK？
rarely use Mandarin.
Rarely use。OK， only in school, like Chinese class.
Yeah.
You have to， 你必须要讲，对吗？You have to, right? Or didn't really speak, just listen.
Well, didn't really speak.
Okay, just listen what the Chinese teacher teaching and do the work, 对吗
Well, oh, yeah.
Okay, so 平时 your grandparents not at all 没有讲
Wait,
华文
what does that mean?
Do you speak Mandarin to one of your grandparents?
Well, I don't have grandparents. Uh,
So
I
you don't
hardly speak
you
Chinese
don't
to my parents, like very rarely.
okay. What about if you have Chinese homework that you if you don't know how to do? what would you do? You try, you find dictionary, or your parents can guide you?
My parents can guide me. Basically, my father.
Okay, so at least your father can understand and teach you, guide you for the Chinese homework, right?
Well, yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so because 叶老师 doesn't want to always speak English, although I understand I can speak, but I want to help you to improve，明白吗？你要进步，那你要多
Okay.
听，你要多听。OK，Chinese especially languages，听说读写。OK，听，you must remember 听 is listen，
Okay.
说 is you have to speak. If you don't speak, you won't improve. Because when you speak, I can correct you like immediately, right? You know, I always get you to read, right? Okay, 读
Yeah.
is to read. Last and the hardest one, 写 is to write. So to improve your languages like English, Mandarin, 听 you have to listen, understand. 你要明白 and then you can
Okay.
speak. You input and this is
Okay.
input and this is output for listen and speak. 读 you have to read Chinese book and this is input. You read more and then you can write more. Okay? 明白吗？ Alright.
Yeah.
So you're going to primary four. 你要小四了。所以如果我说的你不明白，你就问我。I'm very happy to guide you slowly and one word, one by one，可以吗
Okay.
？OK，OK，好，So 我们开始，那我们开始那个今天的课程。OK，Do you have your worksheets with you? Any worksheets? No.
It's not printed.
Okay, it's not printed. Okay, it's fine. So 这一个是我们有一些holiday school holiday 的 activities 活动。那你说一说这是什么动物？OK，动物就是 animals。Try 告诉我是什么动物？OK，那动物呢？You know in English, right?
Yeah.
You know in yeah, you know I knew that you know in English, but for the Chinese you need to know also. Okay, 第一个 in English you can tell me first. At least you know the picture, what is in the picture. Number one. Number one 是什么？
I don't know.
What is number one? You don't know.
Oh wait. Tiger.
Okay, this one is actually lion. It's lion. Okay,
Okay.
okay, lion. Okay, this is tiger. You see 它们身上的条纹，对吗？OK，第二个呢，Number two，
Cow.
yes, yes, obviously. Number four，
Panda.
对了，OK，OK，来第一个，华文叫什么？In Mandarin。If I write the Chinese，我写华文字，告诉我 这是什么字？You don't know at all.
Yeah.
Okay, I write 汉语拼音。这是什么？
学学字
狮子。
靴子
Yes, very good. OK，第二个，这是什么？
你
OK，汉语拼音 n u new 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 new. So this is the second one. So is 牛牛 second one. Can you try to
牛
read 牛牛
牛
Okay, good. Number three, tiger. What is this? Tiger is 怎么念？
老虎
嗯，很好，这个不难哦，not difficult, right？老虎，OK？嗯，Number four, panda. Actually, all this you should have learned in preschool. Have you learned in preschool? Or you don't really read?
I don't believe it.
OK，这个是什么 panda？怎么念？
熊猫
嗯，很好，熊猫，very accurate 啊，熊猫 panda。Okay, so remember, I'm going to test you later. Okay. Number four, 你告诉我它的华文 in Mandarin first. Sorry, in English. At least you know the what is this animal. 第五是什么
number five
Yeah, number five.
rabbit
Yes, obviously this is rabbit. And number six. Number
squirrel
six. Yes. Okay. Number seven.
dog
对了。Number eight.
pig
OK，好，那第一个，Number five，这个是华文 in Mandarin is 怎么念？
兔子
兔兔子兔子
兔子
兔子，OK，兔子，very good，兔子。So number six，怎么念？
松鼠
松鼠松鼠，OK。Number seven，I think you should know number seven